Guys, I really do not know what is going on. Gary doesn't know what's going on. The SEC doesn't know what's going on. But we had information coming from the SEC's Twitter account that all of the ETFs had been approved. Bitcoin began to move up from $46,000 all the way up to $48,000. And then a couple minutes later, Gary Gensler tweets out, no, the ETFs have not been approved. We've got a hack on the SEC's Twitter account. It has been compromised, and then Bitcoin is dumping off at the moment. So in all seriousness, let's talk about what happened. I know it's hilarious. These guys, Gary Gensler probably told somebody the password, and that's how the account got compromised in the first place. But we're going to talk about what it means for Bitcoin moving forward, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out there, grabbing your favorite bro merch on Amazon. Even got t-shirts out there, absolutely. And I know you guys are liking them because you're leaving very nice reviews. You didn't know, or you may know, that you're burning shibainu coin by buying those. Anything you buy through the bro merch, anything you buy through the shib merch, literally anything you buy on Amazon burns shibainu coin, even if it's your lunch meat for the day. How? If you open Amazon through that link, scroll to the top of the page, search whatever product you want to buy. If you go out there and buy it, it generates a commission. That commission goes towards burning Shiba Inu coin. I've already bought over, it's a little over 26 million, but I've already bought a little over 26 million SHIB on Coinbase, simply waiting for the button to be pressed. The button's not highlighted that I can withdraw that money yet. As soon as I can, it's going to the burn wallet. But let's discuss what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment, because I truly think this is, we were laughing about it in the live stream, but this is going to have a pretty big impact on the cryptocurrency space. So I don't know exactly what time it was, but the SEC tweeted out, today, the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listings on all registered national securities exchanges. People very, very excited about that. Let me see if I can pull up the entirety of the tweet here. All right, the full tweet here says, today the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national securities exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. Well, just a couple minutes after that tweet hits, just a couple minutes later, Gary Gensler comes out and tweets, the SEC Gov Twitter account was compromised, and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing of trading of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded products. Now, I find this very interesting, because if the SEC had intentions on approving these ETFs today or tomorrow, who would it have hurt to leave that tweet go and allow that news to be told? Gary Gensler instead specifically chose to manipulate the market, knowing that that tweet would cause the price of Bitcoin to fall down. And guys, the volatility after Gary Gensler came out caused that price to go from roughly $48,000 a coin down to $44,600 per coin. Nearly a 10% move in the price of Bitcoin to the downside. Now, what does this mean? If the SEC comes out and denies these ETFs, we are going to see an even larger sell-off in the price of Bitcoin. If the SEC finally does come out and approve these ETFs, we know that the knee-jerk reaction only took Bitcoin up to $47,000, almost $48,000 per coin. So if the ETFs do get approved, be very careful around that resistance level of $48,000. If the ETFs get denied, please be prepared for massive, massive declines in the price of Bitcoin. Guys, we knew that the volatility would be increasing today. What we did not account for was an SEC hack of their Twitter account. What we did not account for is the fact that people would be, speculating so hard or trying in the last minutes to manipulate the price of Bitcoin both up and down. Bitcoin ETF approvals are not guaranteed, and everybody wants to know what's going to happen to the price afterwards. We got a taste of it today, so use that. Bitcoin ETFs were approved, and the price shoots up to $48,000. It begins to fall very quickly afterwards, but the $48,000 mark held up as a very strong support with people already ready to take profits. Now, of course, we then had Gary Gensler come out and ruin the party, so we don't know if that volatility would have led to profit taking and then another rip even higher. But we do know where the initial knee-jerk reaction went to, and you can use that level if you plan on trading. In the long haul, however, ETF approvals of Bitcoin can absolutely lead to billions, tens of billions, hundreds of billions, and one day trillions of dollars flowing into cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin at the moment. But then as more and more ETFs are approved, all of the altcoins as well. So over the long term, it is a very, very positive measure to have these ETFs approved. Over the short term, what it's going to do is increase volatility the exact same way that you guys saw today. Use today as if you have a time machine. Trade Bitcoin if you need to trade Bitcoin, but know that over the long term, it is going to be a very positive thing to see these Bitcoin ETFs approved. So let me know what you guys think, because I had a couple people saying that this was a coordinated effort. They're just trying to manipulate for one last chance to get in with a Bitcoin lower price. What do you guys think about all of it? Down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. Burn shibainu coin with that Amazon link. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.